New Life Southwoods. My name is Abby, and this is my eldest, JM. And this is Dominic. It was January 2024 when we first attended the service. After the service, Pastora Grace approached us and asked JM and to become a part of the Connect group. Then everything goes well after that.
So, I started po as very shy po. At first po, hindi po ako masyadong attentive in youth services. I attended um, for a little while, pero wala pa po ako masyadong kakilala nun. Until last year, around May, when I joined youth camp po, which really connected me with my fellow youth. I learned about how God, loves me and would cherish me as a youth po. So I learned a lot, especially from my leaders po, around media and worship, until I actually joined media team po. So around that time, I really enjoyed my fellowship and my service to God, especially po with my friends po in the youth po. So right now po, I serve as a media team and a worship member in youth po. So it really, I really grown po from that experience.
Bilang isang magulang, or bilang isang nanay actually, wala nang masasaya pa dun sa feeling na nakikita mo yung mga anak mo, nakikilala yung Panginoon. And I think that's my prayer eh. That's my prayer, yung my kids having a relationship with God. Yun kasi yung purpose mo, kaya mo sila nilalapit. And on top of that, on that same year, yung nagkaroon ng church ng outreach program, which is medical and dental, yun talaga yung purpose ng church talaga, touching lives talaga. Doon na-introduce kami with our Connect group. Personally, I have my Connect group. It was nice to have talaga a Connect group. Kaya I encourage everyone to have one on their own. Kasi yung mga Connect groups mo talaga will pray for you, will guide you, give you tips on parenting, most especially discipleship. Yun talagang nakakaano sa Connect group, nakakagaan. Sabi nga ni Pastor James, importante, meron kang mga kaibigan na magdadala sa iyo. Nagpapasalamat ako for this church. Me and my family are thankful and grateful kay Pastor Grace and Pastor James sa spiritual guidance, and also sa mga teachers, volunteers, sa nag-guide sa mga anak ko and tumuturo, and sa mga my usher team and volunteers na yung eventually nagiging kaibigan mo rin. Thank you. So, thank you.
And once again po, happy anniversary,
New Life
New Life
Southwoods.
Southwoods.